Hello, honeys. So, where do I start? I genuinely don't know. So, as you see, I don't have no subscribers. I'm starting from the start. And as you can see, I'm holding up... It's not very good, is it? I'm holding up my phone with my arm because I don't have nothing special tools. I don't have a special camera and stuff like that. I'm just literally using my phone. So, where do I start, like I said? I just want to start by thanking everybody from the last channel, all the subscribers, people who were sending in gifts, people who were becoming members of the channel and stuff like that. I just want to thank all of you. I genuinely really mean that. Obviously, I don't want to go into too much detail of why I'm starting a new one fresh. All I'm going to say is I wasn't seeing no benefits out of it. But that's just between me and the other person. So, I'm still here. I'm still in the shadows a minute. I don't know where to start, I'll be honest with you. So obviously, my dream was to become a YouTuber. I have no idea how to be a YouTuber. So I asked someone who was a YouTuber to help me do it all. But that didn't go to plan. So instead of me losing my dream, I'm going to do it again by myself. So yeah, I had a bit of a mental breakdown, I'll be honest with you. Everything was just getting on top of me with work. Vehicles being here and stuff like that. But I'm going for it. I'm not giving up. More Customs is still going to be around. I'm not giving this place up because, like I said, it was one of my dreams. I always wanted this unit from when I was probably 15 or 16 or something like that. I'm old now. So I'm not very good at looking into the camera, I'll be honest with you. My eyes keep wandering other places, but I am talking to you on the screen who's watching this, if anybody is watching this. So there's not going to be videos up every Monday like on the previous channel. As I said, I'm starting afresh. And it's just me on my own. I have my little boy with me sometimes. So it's a bit harder. But that's the way life is. Like I say, I'm not a professional YouTuber. Far from it. I'm just a person in a garage, building some things sometimes. Customers' cars most of the time. But my dream is to become where I don't have to focus so much on customers' cars that YouTube will pay enough to even just get me by to do a bit of my own things now and again, which then I can put up on videos, because it's a bit awkward showing so it's a bit awkward showing customers' vehicles on YouTube, even though yeah, they're happy about it. Sometimes you don't want the world seeing what condition that car was in. Even though I'm fixing it, I don't know, it's just a weird thing. Whereas if it's my own things, like, I don't care. But yeah, there's not going to be much editing and things because, one, I don't have a computer, and two, I'm not really clued up on how to do it. So obviously I know how to do TikTok videos and stuff like that. I've been doing those for a while. I've done that by myself, so what's the difference, innit? So I'll edit out things that I might say wrong, maybe, which I probably do say a lot because my brain doesn't comprehend what my mouth said. No, I don't even know what the word is. My brain doesn't communicate with my mouth all the time. So some things come out on accident, and might not be allowed to say them. Maybe. I don't know. But obviously I'll have to go through them and stuff like that. There's not going to be editing of different noises in backgrounds and stuff like that. It's going to be more real, because that's what I wanted it to be originally, was literally just real. What I'm actually doing when I'm building my own vehicles, when I'm building other people's vehicles. So there's not going to be a video up every Monday. And I think the first video that will be up is what is it, post? The first video that will be up is the Alfa Romeo Mito. So I've always planned that to be a pimp my ride sort of thing. It's also very hard doing a video when you have your child by you, because he doesn't realize that you have to be quiet when you're doing a video, because it makes you lose your brain. So yeah, I lost my thought of where I was going. Alfa Romeo Mito, I think it was, wasn't it? So, as you might have seen in a previous video on the old channel, we had an Alfa Romeo Mito in from a guy called Levi. He's a really nice little guy. I wouldn't say little guy, he's shorter than me, but he's a little guy. Him and his parents drove down from, I don't even know, far away, like 4 hours away, and literally said to me to do whatever I want to the car. So that really, that made me a little bit happy, because someone's put their trust in me to use my own imagination on their car. So they seen my V91 build on, I can't remember if he said it was like Modified Van Owners Club or something like that, or someone had shared it on there, or I don't know, I can't remember, my brain's foggy. So they seen that and they wanted me to do the work. So it has taken a while for me to actually start it, because other projects took longer than planned. But the first video that will be up will be the Alfa Romeo Mito Pimp My Ride edition sort of thing. So I'm not going as bad as Pimp My Ride used to. And I'll be honest with you, it is very unedited. It's literally how it is. So obviously I've lost the footage of when they dropped the car down. So that's a little bit tricky, but I'll work a way around that. But I'll be doing work on the Mito. I'll be taking videos of bits I'm doing. Obviously, I'm not going into major detail with it and stuff like that with welding, because when I'm welding, I can't hold the camera as well. So it'll literally be something, I can't mention it in a minute, but a wide arch, for instance, then, right? He knows he's having a wide arch. So first of all, it'll be no arch, and then it'll be wide arch. It won't be no video of showing how I done it and stuff like that, or maybe bits in between, blah de blah de blah. Basically like a Pimp My Ride program that they used to have on with the exhibit and stuff, but I'm not him. So at the end of it, there will be a reveal for Levi, because he really doesn't know how this is going to look. His butterflies in his stomach are probably going wild, to be fair, because I couldn't imagine just saying to someone, do what you want to my car, and just hoping for the best. So yeah, his reaction is going to be a genuine reaction. I'll probably open the roller shutter doors and then drive it out, and it's literally going to be him going either, oh my god, that's amazing, or crying because he doesn't like it. I'm hoping he bloody likes it, I will be honest with you. So, yeah. That will be the first video up, but obviously I've got to build that car first. But I just wanted to reassure you all, guys, that I'm still here in the shadows. I'm in it. I got to figure out a few things of how to do stuff and stuffs. Because, like I said, I'm not a YouTuber. I don't have no clue how to do it. I don't even know if I'll ever get the views that my last channel did. I have no idea. I kept getting told that the first video was a fluke. So I might never ever get that many views again. I might never ever get monetized again. But that doesn't bother me because I wasn't receiving any of that money from the previous channel anyway. So basically I'm just doing the same thing as I was doing, just doing it on my own. But yeah, my dream would be to become monetized. And my dream would be to earn some money from YouTube to be able to build my own stuff. My dream would be to become famous. Like Matt Armstrong and Whistling Diesel and stuff like that. Whether I'll get there, I do not know. I doubt it. But I don't know whether that's just my own brain telling me that I can't do it or stuff like that. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe I'll get there, maybe I won't. Maybe people actually wanted to watch me on the YouTube instead of the skills of the cameraman. I don't know. There's a lot of things been going through my head. A lot of things. A lot of doubts and a lot of what ifs. Like, so I'm really not sure, I'll be honest with you. I'm really not sure. But hopefully it do. But I can only do that really with the help of you guys. So when I share a video or something, like, even if you just share it on your Facebook to your friends, if one of your friends shared it, like I got like 3,000, well, say 4,000 friends on Facebook. If every one of you shared my video, and one of your friends shared my video, that'd be 8,000 people who shared my video. Yeah, I'm not very good at maths. And if every one of those people watched my video, that'd be 8,000 people watching my video, which would help me a lot, because obviously the views is what makes the money on YouTube, I think. So I don't know, I don't even know how it works. Like, I never dealt with any of that side of it. I don't even know how much Dan was earning on it, to be honest with you. Because literally I have no idea. Like, it gives you estimates and stuff like that, but he said that was never right. But I don't know. I really haven't got a clue. So I can't go into any of that, but yeah. Even if I was earning the estimates of it, it'll help a lot towards my business. And obviously, if I have members and stuff again, then that will help a lot. Like, people who become members was to help me, but it never did, because I never received any of it. Like, it was part of, nah, that's it. All I'm saying, like, whatever you send me, I'll be getting this time. So if you do want to send in something, then I really would appreciate it. If you want to become a member, I really would appreciate that. It'll help me a lot. Because the reason why I was going to shut this place down is because I don't have money. And obviously I have to think about my little boy. Because if I don't have money, then he doesn't have money. And that's why my head was so pickled. So it's nothing to do with my workload or stuff like that or anything else. is to do with money and bills. Like I say, yeah, my boy's 5 years old, as you heard him in the video earlier. He's with me today because he wasn't allowed into school today because he had the shits apparently. But he's been fine with me. So yeah. I blabber it a lot, and I don't know. That's what I mean. I don't know how to be a YouTuber. I don't know what bits should be edited out or should be kept in. I don't know. But all I'm going to say is just, I'm me. I'm real. I'm not doing nothing to act up. I won't do nothing to act up. Like, I'm not an actor. I'm just me. I say it as it is, but sometimes some of those things you're not allowed to say on YouTube. So I do have to be careful what I say but there. But yeah, I think I'm going to end this video by here now because it's a lot of blabbering. But I just want to thank everybody who supported the last channel. Hopefully I can get more people to support my channel now to actually build my place up and my business up. So yeah, if you could, guys, do what you need to do, please, because it would help me and my little hunter out a lot. But yeah, like I said, I think my the first video that's going out will be the Alfa Romeo Mito. The first, like, I want to try, like I said, I want to try and do it as the main Pimp My Ride thing, but without all the acting and the rubbish. It's literally going to be how I've built it, as I'm building it, and then Levi's reaction at the end. So, unless I find anything else in between that I like my funny noises I make, like my seatbelt noises, I might put one of those up because that is my favourite noise. As a short, maybe. But this is my first video. I will get better, I hope, because, yeah. Right, thank you for watching, guys. Do what you got to do with like and subscribing and sharing and all that stuff, because it does help me out massively, especially now doing it on my own. So yeah, thank you very much, guys. Have a lovely day. Bye.